Civil emergency declared for the Davenport area. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Scott County Emergency Management. Due to civil unrest in the Davenport area, the Davenport Police Department and city officials request all residents stay in their homes and shelter in place until further notice. Additional information will be shared when available.